Assalamu alaikum. This is Ideas English Phonics Preschool 2 Reader Plus workbook, and today we are going to learn from page number 9 and page number 10. On this page, children, we have to match the sound and trace. Okay, children, now say with me, this is A, this is B, this is K, and this is D. Say again, children, A, B, K, D. Say one more time, children, A, B, K, D. Children, this A is matched with apple because the beginning sound of apple is A. Likewise, we will match the other letters with the things. This is B and this is book. Children, the beginning sound of book is B. That's why we will match this B with the book with a straight line. This is K and this is cat. Children, the beginning sound of cat is K. Now you have to match this K with cat with a straight line. This is D and this is doll. Children, the beginning sound of doll is D. Now match this D with doll with a straight line. After matching the letters with the pictures, now children, you have to trace in these 4 lines, and after tracing these letters, now you have to write these letters. And on the page number 10, children, we have to write the beginning sound and trace. This is arrow, and the beginning sound of arrow is A. Children, you have to write A in this box. This is bread, and the beginning sound of bread is B. Children, you have to write B in this box. This is cup, and the beginning sound of cup is K. Children, now you have to write K in this box. This is drum, and the beginning sound of drum is D. Children, now you have to write the beginning sound of drum in this box. So this is arrow, the beginning sound of arrow is A. This is bread, the beginning sound of bread is B. This is cup, and the beginning sound of cup is K. This is drum, and the beginning sound of drum is D. Okay, children, now look at this. This is alligator. Listen again, children, this is alligator. Listen one more time, children, this is alligator. Children, the beginning sound of alligator is A. Listen again, children, the beginning sound of alligator is A. This is A. Children, you have to trace this A in these 4 lines. After tracing this A, then you have to write A. Okay, children, now look at this. This is ball. Listen again, children, this is ball. Listen one more time, children, this is ball. Now say with me, this is ball. Say again, children, this is ball. Children, the beginning sound of ball is B. Listen again, children, the beginning sound of ball is B. Now say with me, B, ball. Say again, children, B, ball. This is B. Children, you have to trace this B in these 4 lines. After tracing this B, now you have to write B in these 4 lines. This is cow. Listen again, children, this is cow. Listen one more time, children, this is cow. The beginning sound of cow is K. Listen again, children, the beginning sound of cow is K. Now say with me, K, cow. Say again, children, K, cow. Say one more time, children, K, cow. This is kh. Children, you have to trace this kh. After tracing this kh, then you have to write kh in these 4 lines. This is dog. Listen again, children. This is dog. Listen one more time, children. Dog. Children, the beginning sound of dog is d. Listen again, children. The beginning sound of dog is d. Now say with me, d, dog. Say again, children, d, dog. Say one more time, children, d, dog. Children, this is d. You have to trace this d. After tracing this d, children, you have to write d in these 4 lines.